You are a heathen lot. That's why I'm here. You have all the makings of a great God. You're all terrible human beings, sinners to the hilt, blamers, victims, the whole sorts of things. You are sinners, and sinners I'm interested in. Well, I like to sin. I don't appreciate the cover-up. If you just follow me and reason, you would laugh too. You create a sin which you observed and made happen. You participated in it. Then you spend the rest of your life lying about it and endeavoring to pay restitution to it. And so you avoid being the observer ever again of having free will. You're apologizing for free will. Sinners, come forward. That's sort of my, because they're the only honest ones. How many of you understand that?